Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a library by which you can actually execute Python code inside your browser. This is called as PyScript. It's open source library. This is their official website. If you just type PyScript on Google, the very first link which comes, this is a website here. You can see it's an open source platform for Python in the browser. So it's called as PyScript. This is the name of it, and you can actually try this online by simply creating a simple index.html file. So just create a simple index.html file. Normally that you create a HTML file. Simply create this. I have given all the source code in the description of this video. Just you need to paste the CDN of this PyScript. So just copy the CDN. After the title, paste it. So we simply pasting the CDN here, the CSS and the JavaScript CDN of PyScript. So once you include these tags, now you can actually write PyScript. So for this, here we can actually have a script tag, and inside the script tag, this needs to be inside the body here, inside the body tag. So right here, wherever you need to execute the Python, you have a section right here. So you just give it a class to it of PyScript, and right inside this we will have the script tag. So you will basically open and close the script tag. Inside this you will actually write your Python code, and you just need to first of all give the type parameter is equal to py, because it's a Python code. That's why we need to give it the extension right here, which is py for Python code. So now inside this you will actually write your Python code. So if I just write the print statement, which is the basic statement inside Python. So if I want to now see this output here, so if I execute this, simply open this file in the browser. So you will see the output of the print statement is not showing right here, because it will be showing in the, if you go to the inspect element, go to the console, and now you will here see hello world right here will be showing here, because the output of the print statement will be in the console. So in the browser console. So now if you want to show it in the browser, there is a display function inside PyScript. So if you now invoke this display function, which is present inside PyScript, and now if you write hello world right here, so now what happens if you refresh, hello world will show right here. It is saying that display is not defined. For to use this display function, we first of all need to import that. For importing it, we simply say from PyScript we need to import the display function. So we simply first of all import the display function from PyScript, import display, and then we use the display function. And if you refresh now, the error will go away, and you will actually see your output hello world seen right here. So now you can just see the power of this one line, guys, because you can directly execute Python code in the browser. So here you can actually use any third-party package, and this can be any sort of expression. So we are 5 plus 5, because it's a numeric value here. So 5 plus 5 will be 10. So if you refresh now, you will see. So this can be anything. It can be any library third-party library that you install using Python, build out an application and directly execute Python code in the browser. So as you can see, this is we are simply having this index.html file and we are simply executing the Python code directly with HTML code. So this library, which is PyScript, makes it very much easy. You can try this library. They have got a nice little documentation. The latest version is maintained. So I've given the full example code in the description of this video. So you can actually find out this code in the link in the description. And now let me show you some of the functions that it supports. So let's suppose if you want to show the current date and time. So in Python, you have the built-in function which is from datetime package. We can import this datetime function. And now what we can do, we can actually display the current date and time using the display function. So right here, as we do this, and if I refresh now, you will see it will display the current date and time, which is, it is saying line number 45. There is now is not defined. Sorry, we first of all need to create a variable where we need to store the current date and time, datetime dot now. So we store the current date and time in this variable and then we display it right here. So if you refresh now, you will see it will display the current date and time, which is 10th of May 2025. It also displays the time as well. So this is the example, guys, a very simple example of using Python code in directly in the browser using PyScript library, which is an open source Python library. So I don't need to install it, simply create an index.html files, simply include the CDN and start using the Python code directly in the browser like this. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.